One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. This ain't about cars. Give me a minute to explain here. Got the bars done on this. It's about the KD box miners and the update for them. And I wanted to put this out because I had an issue and all my mining just kind of came to a grinding halt. I had to totally black out the behind the grill. Look at that, just beautiful. But I wanted to show the grill and I'm going to show the KD boxes. Just got to give me a couple seconds here. Look at that. It's painted and looking great, man. And I love the color. The color's just awesome. Beautiful sun, look at that. With the whole fires going. But let me show you what this video is about. And if you need any cars, I've always got lots of classics around. Lots of stuff on oneownercarguy.com. Let's get to the miners. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. This is going to be a mining video. It's actually about a Kadena box. I should just show you. If you're using a Kadena or a Mini-DOGE or what's the other one here? The Goldshell CK box or the Vosk box or any of the boxes. There's a Kadena box too, a KD box. And that's what I'm working with. And when you're doing this stuff, I actually am going through DX pool on this. And as you can see, my earnings are just falling and falling and falling as I get to 22. Like yesterday, I got 16, and that's a huge difference. And I actually figured out the other day that I am getting that right there. Here, let me blow it up. 13.97 and 8 and 12 rejected shares. This here got up to 36%, 36.98. So getting that many rejected shares, even here, I'm getting 11%. I got a hold of Goldshell, and they told me I needed to update my firmware, which that didn't mean a whole lot to me. I've done stuff with the ASICs, and I can do the GPU mining, but this is a whole new beast, and you got to have this Yoda BC. And then I make a video probably. You just go over to the box. There's a button on it on the KD box, and you push it. And when you push it, it'll pop up on the screen and tell you what it is. So I'm going to push the button right now. And you should see it pop up. I'm pushing the button right now. So I don't know how instantaneous it is. This right here is the button you push right next to that light, and it'll make it pop right up on your Yoda BC IP address. But for sure, it pops it up there, and from there you're going to want to click on it and select it and go to the admin page, and from there you're going to select the miner or the system. Select the system, and there you go, you're in, and that's where the update takes place right there. Now you're going to have a file that they email you if you have to do this update, and the file is in my downloads. Now the problem is they send you a zip file. So if you just try to, well, I'll show you. Okay, we're gonna try to update it right from the downloaded file. Boom, and it'll tell you this. Wrong update package. You have to unzip the file, and you can use like PK unzip or something to that effect. To unzip the file, just go to the file that you downloaded. For me, it's in my downloads file. Double click to open, and I have actually set up a test file on my desktop. So just grab the file and pull it into any other file or directly onto your desktop, and go back to your software for it. And you're not going to use this, so you're going to come in here, you're going to click on the file, click on that file, and as you can see, success. Click update, and it take maybe a minute to 3. Whoa, did it just do? Oh, you got to unlock the miner. And so they don't give you all this stuff. Well, you don't want. I don't want your help. I'm trying to escape that. So now we will do the same thing again. It's already in the right file, so do that and click update. And it's that simple. That is what will happen, and you'll probably hear the miner kick in. In fact, I'm going to take my Google Glass and go over there. Okay, so I came over here. Kids' toys everywhere. This is the ones in the living room. I don't have enough. Ooh, it just blinked. And this is the one being reset or updated. And so with it blinking, I'm thinking here it comes. Now it's blinking green. It's solid. We got lights below. And it just started spitting out a lot of... There we go. So we'll just do this for a minute. These aren't very loud. This is the loudest they'll get. And they basically never do this unless they're rebooting, as far as I know. But that's that. And boom, that's how long it does that. And it'll tone down. And even go lower than this too. Okay, so upload finished, all that kind of stuff. Boomity boom, it relocks it. And I think I could probably check on it tomorrow. Oh, this is every hour. Yeah, the other day when I looked, it was up to 42% or 46% on one of them. But that's just a crazy dip. And it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 hours ago. I don't get what that would be at like 9 o'clock in the morning. But whatever, that's it. That's how you update your miner, and should be working. Okay, at 6 o'clock it resets, and I get about 16 to 18 a day or so. But I was like, what? I've only got 0.11 Cadena. But actually I've got 858 Cadena. Now, looking at those reject rates, there's actually 2 miners on here, but I've got them in as one, basically. I just ran them to the same address. So I guess it's going to show as one. But I've also got a library, 2 library miners on here, and they won't show you how many a day, but I've got 2,500 of them almost with the library coin. Not worth a whole lot. Look at that. Oh, one of them went down, and I didn't know it. You gotta check daily. I lost 1, 2, 3, 4 days there, maybe 5. Jeez. But that's the library, and then there's 2 of those, and then right now there's 2 Mini-DOGE running, but I've also got a L3 Plus on this, so I've got 3 of them on there, and they don't show you your Dogecoin. You can see where I added the L3 Plus, and just skyrocketed. But I've got 4 more Mini-DOGE to put on, so I'll have 6, and my woman's got 1. So basically, to find your Doge, if you're mining the Doge, you're gonna have to go to your wallet, and you'll see right there 715 Doge, almost a half a Litecoin. Damn. Okay, well, just a quick video on this. Hope you enjoyed. If you've had this problem, it was frustrating to figure out how to do this, but honestly, it was a really easy process. So for what it's worth, if you had this problem, hope this helped you. Go ahead and please like my video, comment, and subscribe. I do all kinds of different videos, some on mining, some on other stuff. Here we go. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.